Cash Giraffe Refund requests depend on the payment or reward issue you are trying to resolve, and the support process connected to your account. If you need to request a refund or report a problem with a Cash Giraffe transaction, the fastest approach is to check your account details, identify the exact issue, and contact the correct support channel. Start by opening Cash Giraffe and reviewing your rewards, payments, or transaction history. This helps you confirm what happened before submitting a request. Look for details such as the date of the transaction, the amount involved, the reward status, and any message shown by the app. These details make it easier to explain the problem clearly. If a reward or payment appears incorrect, do not submit multiple requests for the same issue. Repeated requests can make it harder to track the original problem. When contacting Cash Giraffe support, include the email linked to your account, your device information, the transaction details, and a description of what went wrong. If the issue is related to a missing reward, check whether the activity was completed correctly and whether the reward has fully processed. Some app actions may require time before the status updates. If the problem is related to a payment method, confirm that your account information is accurate and that there are no issues with the connected payment details. A refund request does not automatically mean a refund will be approved. Support teams review the details of each case and provide a response based on the information available. Before requesting help, collect screenshots of the issue if possible. A screenshot showing the transaction, error message, or missing reward can help support understand the situation faster. The main steps are checking your transaction history, gathering proof of the issue, contacting Cash Giraffe support, and providing complete account details. If you are waiting for a response, avoid changing account information until the issue is reviewed, because changes can make troubleshooting more difficult. If your Cash Giraffe refund request is still unresolved, follow up with the original support conversation and include any new information that may help. Check your account records first, explain the exact problem, and provide the details support needs to review your request. If this guide helped you understand the Cash Giraffe refund process, like the video and subscribe for more app troubleshooting guides.